Good morning mga palangga. Yung oras ngayon is 5:20 na ng umaga. Sobrang aga namin nagising, mga 4:45 ata yun, to get ready kasi pupunta tayo ng airport. Sa wakas, makakapag-holiday tayo, char. Joke lang, hindi po to holiday. Meron po kaming mission, meron po kaming lakad. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa London para mag-renew ng passport ko. And sa kasalukuyan, I'm just waiting for my breakfast. I'm having porridge. Of course, kape. Kape is life. Everything is ready. Our stuff. Nandoon na. Yung bag ko. Dito na. So, yeah. We're good. Nag-breakfast lang ako kasi I'm not sure if meron bang open sa airport. But I'm pretty sure merong open, no? Just in case na magutom ka ba. Pero don't worry. I have my squirms with me. But yung squirms is parang ano lang naman, parang chewing gum lang ba? We are going. Hala. Tingnan niyo, parang uulan. Bigat-bigat ng bag ko, parang dala ko yung buong bahay. Hand carry lang yung ano namin dala. Wala kaming ibang bag. Kaya sobrang limitado lang talaga yung dala natin. Yung mga clothes. Are you ready, mister, for your holiday?
Holiday? I'm sure there's a holiday.
A mission.
Okay.
Mission must be completed today. Let's go. Don't worry about the dogs. Dogs are fine. Our babies are fine. Papunta yung anak ni Mr. dito mamaya. Para bantayan yung bahay. Halagaan yung mga bata. Very quiet yung motorway, oh. You okay, Mr.? Good. Nandito na kami sa parking. We are on level 4. Malamig, ha?
Level 4 blue.
Hindi namin alam kung saan yung exit. Nandito lang ako sa gilid. Naghihintay kay Jan kasi nakalimutan niya yung mask niya. Nako. Yan yung pinaka-importante kasi hindi ka papasukin kung wala kang mask.
I'm having my breakfast.
So, nandito na kami. Naghihintay na lang kami na mag-open yung gate. At the moment, hindi pa siya open. So, kain muna tayo. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog nung nag-enter kami sa airport kasi yung security. Kain. This is quite full. Very full.
Drinky.
We need to eat now because later on we will have no time. Are you getting bored?
Can you see my lips moving?
Hindi pa din open yung gate.
I'm telling you. Can see.
What are you telling?
You can guess.
What? No, I cannot. I cannot guess.
Yeah.
Because
There you go.
what? Oh, John.
Yeah?
It's so quiet here.
I'm saying I'm hungry.
You're hungry for what? Already?
No, I'm saying I love you really, but...
Okay. Very quiet, oh. Ayan. It is strange flying with all this, you know.
Oh.
This is my first time as well to fly domestic here in UK. There's
I've never
always...
flown domestic.
This is your first time as well?
To fly domestic, yeah.
Right.
I think, is it?
I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, no.
But yeah, this is my first time to fly domestic here in UK.
Yeah.
Because normally when we go to airport, we're normally going...
International.
Yeah.
Oh, it focuses on your flight.
Huh?
Focuses on your flight.
Yeah, it's focusing.
Like a monster. Hello.
Hello. I'm using my phone right now.
Water in a snack. Pre-purchase people can pay items.
1 hour later.
Malapit na tayo. Mga 5 to 10 minutes na. Maglalanding na. Finally, we've landed in Heathrow. Naghihintay lang kami sa aming taxi kasi yung taxi namin, binook namin for 12 o'clock pero dumating kami ng maaga. Kaya ito, hintay-hintay muna. Tingnan nyo yung seats nila. Socially distancing talaga, oh. That's it. I'm done with my passport renewal and now we're walking towards our hotel. Ito yung hotel namin. Papakita ko. Ito. Tizo. I don't know where's the entrance. Go around here. I think it's around here. Yeah. Yeah, Royal Trafalgar. Thank you for waiting patiently. Oh, he's very hungry, he said. Yeah, this is it. This is it. 318. 318. There. That way. There. Hello. 318. Here you are. Okay for you, sir. Welcome, welcome. Room tour. Thank you. So this is the bathroom. Let's see. It looks clean. Yan. Shower. And mirror. Hello. And the room. There's a smell. A cleaning smell, you know. Hello.
Right.
Ito. Meron silang safe, ironing board, an iron, hair dryer. Meron silang ano dito, kettle. And meron silang ito. I don't know how to use this, but oh, honey, I think you just put this
Yes, I
like
know.
that.
Yeah, but they don't have little silly cups.
Silly cups.
Or you can have.
We're hungry, very hungry.
So, just it.
Let's see. Let's check out the view. It's a quite big bed. Oy, yung view. Ito yung view natin. Bahay. Mga bahay. And yeah, that's it. Meron ding flat screen TV. Let's go. You got the key?
Yeah, Brendan.
Yep. So, gala-gala lang kami.
Oh, okay. We need key. Oh, we probably don't need it to get down, will we?
Probably not. Here.
Doors closing.
Hello, mister.
Down.
Hello. I'm in the lift.
National Gallery, and tingnan nyo.
Is that an embassy then?
Icing na may cherry on top and may fly dyan. Hello, birdie. Shall we go there?
Well,
There. Wow.
there's a lion. Can you see the lion?
I can can see the lion.
Oh, yeah.
Ang ganda! You cannot swim? No entry. So ito pala. Ito yung buhay London. This is the London life. Where are we going? First time kong maka-experience ng ganitong buhay, yung city life ba, dito sa London. Sorry?
What are we actually doing?
Taking picture next to the lion. No, I don't really want to climb in the lion. I need to show you this.
The clock.
What do you call this? London Ben?
Big Ben.
Big Ben.
Big Ben is actually up there with the bell, not the actual clock, but everybody calls it Big Ben.
Big Ben, okay. But yeah. Where's the London Eye? Miles away? Let's go. Come here. Makikipagsabayan tayo sa city life. We're gonna go there. Have a look. Is it going to the palace? Whoa! I want to go. The queen invited me. Charnis, ginamos. Suicidal yung mga giso.
Taking you down Mall, darling.
Ay?
I'm taking you down Mall.
Okay.
See her indoors.
Okay. I cannot wait. She's waiting for me.
Yeah.
Pupunta tayo sa Buckingham. Nearly there. Konting lakad na lang. Ito na. Ito na yung palace. Wow. Gate pa lang. Sulit na. We're gonna cross.
Just carry on round.
It's such an overwhelming because, you know, everything. This is all my first time.
What's overwhelming, darling?
Well, surprised,
Go on.
excited. Here it is, finally. We're going in. Kinilig ako mga palangga na finally. In my 5 years, nakita ko na talaga to. Itong Buckingham. Merong mga turista pero hindi marami, which is good. I'm pretty sure if walang COVID itong dito, this area, I'm pretty sure puno to ng mga tao. Tingnan niyo yung ngiti ko, sobrang laki. Thank you
For guiding me here.
for guiding me here. Tingnan natin yung mga guards. Tingnan nyo yung guard. Nagmamarching yung ano, yung guard. Bye, my queen.
The king is here.
The king is here.
What's this to?
Ang ganda ng gate sa likod. And ito yung Buckingham Palace. Are you gonna hire that? Pauwi na kami. I wonder kung ano to. Is this part of the Buckingham or no?
No, I really don't know. No,
You don't
I
know?
think so, no. I don't think it will be. Not this far down. But,
Yeah. I'm curious.
Yeah.
Comment kayo kung ano to.
It's quite a grand thing inside. Look at it on the top. It's like chandeliers.
Yeah.
Looks like ox at the top. Huh? I don't know.
My husband, who is British, he doesn't know what is this.
I don't know everything.
He don't know everything.
Not like some people.
Yeah, it looks very nice. Tingnan niyo. So that's why I'm wondering what it is. And one thing na napansin ko dito sa London, there's a lot of police going on and on and on. Never stop. Which is I'm not used to kasi in hours sa Lancashire, tahimik. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na hindi ko alam kung ano itong building. But next siya dito. Itong may tower. Titingnan namin kung ano. Kasi curious ako. It's Frederick. Duke of York. Yeah. I see. So, and there you go. Now I'm getting really excited. Kasi, tingnan niyo, nasulyapan ko na yung ito. What do you call that, honey?
The London Eye.
London Eye. Oh, wow.
It takes an hour to go around. It moves really slowly.
It takes an hour to go around. That's very slow then.
Oh,
At least, I can see it,
yeah.
in my real eye. I can see. Oh, very nice. Kahit malayuan lang,
Those are
pero
beautiful.
satisfied na ako.
You're gonna go across there.
Hello. Hello, my friend. Tingnan niyo. Nandito na naman sila, oh. So, nandito kami sa restaurant. Having our drinks. Mr. is here. We're waiting for our food. Sobrang sobrang weird kasi kailangan namin i-scan to para mag-order and kailangan namin mag-register sa I think sa NHS ata yun, sa NHS Track and Trace. It's so busy. Hello. Mister.
Yes?
Ang ganda ng chandelier nila, oh. Chicken wings, burger for Mister. Mine is coming.
Yeah, your pie's coming.
Thank you very
I
much.
get another London pie, please.
Hey, here it is.
That's a good looking pie, isn't it?
I need to try this. Ito is, what is this again? Sweet Vietnamese?
I would call it deadly.
It's not spicy.
She lies me.
It's not spicy, sweetheart. It is good. It's not even spicy, sweetheart.
Don't give me that.
Sabi ni Mr. na yung
I know you.
wings daw,
I know you.
it's a killer daw.
You lie me.
It's not spicy. Is it? Are you okay? Kawawa naman yung mukha niya, uy.
She told me.
The girl said that it is in between.
In between. Proper listen.
It looks like na ako lang yung kakain nito.
A few moments later.
Mocha. Jan is having cappuccino as usual.
She don't give you.
Jan, they got a very big plate. But this is all they have.
We've got special rice pudding.
Tingnan nyo, nag-order siya ng rice pudding with mango.
What's that outside here?
Caramel ice cream, I think. Something like that. I don't know. But yeah. Can I try? Try it first. Come on, try it first. Is that mango sauce? Naduduling na si Mr. Is it good?
It is actually very nice, yeah.
I will try. Kita-try ko yung pudding ni Mr.
Oh. Maybe.
Very good.
Not easy, but you know, it's really good.
I-try natin yung brownie. One of the reason I ordered brownie kasi gusto kong ikumpara yung brownie ko dito.
No, I can't hear you. Can't hear a damn thing. Too much noise.
Let's try this. This is good. What did you say about their mango?
It goes together really well with rice.
You said something before that
What?
about the mango
What do you think?
that is not from Philippines.
Oh, it's definitely not Philippine mango. It certainly isn't Cebu mango.
We're tired. We're tired for the day. Yung cheeks ko medyo pink. Is it pink, sweetheart? My cheeks?
Eh?
My cheeks.
Rosé?
Is it rosy?
Quick.
We going? Come on.
Quick. There's a cat coming.
We're home. I'm ready for my bed. I'm ready for my bed.
Extra pillows.
We only got 2 pillows, unfortunately. Namumula talaga yung pagmumukha ko, yung pisngi ko. Kasi at the moment, yung ulo ko, sobrang init niya. It feels na mainit. Kasi uminom ako ng alcohol at hindi ako sanay uminom ng alcohol. Kaya ito, parang feeling ko yung pagmumukha ko sobrang init.